Dear students, welcome. Today we are going to discuss about a topic, equilibrium of particle in space. Equilibrium of particle or body in space. So what is the meaning for equilibrium? Equilibrium means the particle or body in resting condition. The resultant of all the forces acting on the particle or body equal to zero. That's the meaning equilibrium. Already we have discussed in previous classes. So generally in particle or body in space represented in vector form. So particle or body in space. So equilibrium means particle or body in rest or resultant force acting on the body equal to zero. Resultant force acting on the body equal to zero. So in resting condition, the resultant force equal to zero. The forces acting on the body or particle, it may be a concurrent or non-concurrent forces. The force acting on the body, forces acting on the body may be concurrent or non-concurrent. The forces acting on the body concurrent means, forces acting on the body concurrent means. What is the meaning for concurrent and non-concurrent? What is the meaning for concurrent or non-concurrent? Concurrent means all the forces acting on the body intersect at a common point. Intersect at a common point. Non-concurrent, all the forces acting on the body not meet at a common point. That is non-concurrent. Already we have discussed. So forces acting on the body concurrent means algebraic sum of the equilibrium condition. Equilibrium condition. For forces acting on the body concurrent means the equilibrium conditions are sigma fx equal to 0, algebraic sum of all the forces along x direction equal to 0, and algebraic sum of all the forces along y direction equal to 0, algebraic sum of all the forces along z direction equal to 0. These are the equilibrium condition for the force in space. Particle in space, all the forces acting on the particle or body is concurrent, means these are the equilibrium conditions. So generally it represented by sigma f equal to 0, the resultant of all the forces acting on the body or particle equal to 0. This is the equilibrium condition for force in space. Particle in space, equilibrium of particle or body in space, the condition is sigma f equal to 0 when all the forces acting on the body or particle is concurrent. Suppose all the forces acting on the body or particle non-concurrent means non-concurrent. What is non-concurrent? All the forces acting on the particular body not meet at a common point. Now in this case, sigma fx equal to 0, sigma fy equal to 0, sigma fz equal to 0. Algebraic sum of all the forces acting along the x-axis direction equal to 0 and y-axis direction equal to 0 and z-axis direction equal to 0. And also moment of all the forces, algebraic sum of moment of all the forces about x-axis equal to 0, y-axis equal to 0, z-axis equal to 0. This is another condition, another requirement for equilibrium conditions. Algebraic sum of moment of all the forces about x-axis equal to 0. Algebraic sum of moment of all the forces about x-axis equal to 0. About y-axis equal to 0. About z-axis equal to 0. So, sigma f equal to 0. The conditions are sigma f equal to 0 and also sigma m equal to 0. So, two conditions for non-concurrent forces. Sigma. For concurrent forces, only one requirement, sigma f equal to 0. For non-concurrent force system of particular body in space, the equilibrium requirement condition sigma f equal to 0 and sigma m equal to 0. These are the introduction about equilibrium of particle or body in space. So based on this, we are going to solve more problems in upcoming classes. Thank you. Dear students, if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel for continuous mechanical lecture series. Thank you.